Welcome to our tutorial on how to build your package on the Rayna. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of creating your customized travel package. To start building your package, kindly click on Build Package, located on the homepage. After that, fill the required fields as per your preferences and requirements. For example, if you want to build a 5-night package covering Dubai and Abu Dhabi, select location Dubai. Choose the star category of your preferred hotel. Specify the number of nights. To add more destinations, click on the Add tab and select the location, star category, and number of nights for each additional city. You can add up to 5 destinations at a time. Choose your travel status and specify the nationality of the guests. You can also apply a markup ranging from 1% to 30% to adjust the prices accordingly. Specify the number of adults and children with their ages, if applicable. If you need multiple rooms, click on the Add Room tab. You can add up to 4 rooms. Don't forget to tick the Hotel Service tab to include hotel search in your package. Then click Search Now. If you want to modify your preferences, click on the Modify Search tab. Here, you need to select your day-wise itinerary and add it in your quotation. Next, select the preferred hotels for Dubai and Abu Dhabi. Browse through the list or type to search. After selecting, choose the room type. You can add meal also by clicking here. You can check the details like description, facilities, map, street view from here. Review the cancellation policy before adding the hotel to your quotation. Then click Add to Quotation. Then select activities according to location. Browse through the list or type to search. Here, you need to search your day-wise itinerary, starting with airport pickup, and add all day-wise plan as per the guest requirement. After selecting, choose your preferred activities, transfer options, tour dates, and number of guests. Here, you can also find useful information about each activity before adding it to your cart. After that, click Add to Cart. As soon as you add activity, hotel for quotation, the services are added on the right side in my quotation. After adding all desired services, review the quotation on the right side of the page. Click Create Quotation. A unique quotation number will be generated. From here, you can view all saved quotations or add new quotations as needed. Scrolling down, you will see some options. First, you can add markup. If you want to change the markup percentage, you can do so from here. Second is Preview Quotation, where you can preview your quotation in detail. Third is Modify Quotation, where you can modify your quotation if needed. Fourth is Download Custom Package, where you can download the package itinerary with rate breakup, without rate breakup, or without rates. Please note that all downloaded itineraries come with only your company details. The itinerary PDF does not include any Rayna details. Please refrain from editing or mentioning any Rayna details in the itinerary. After that, click on Block Rate and Availability till Cancellation to check the availability of activities and hotels. After checking availability, if all activities and hotels are available, then click Save Quotation and proceed to the cart. Next, you'll be directed to the Passenger Details page. Fill out all the necessary lead passenger information along with any additional details, and then choose your pickup locations. We provide discounts on some activities and hotels. If you have reward points available, simply check the box to redeem them and receive a discount. After filling all the details, choose the preferred mode of payment. Choose your payment method among credit card, debit card, or net banking. You can also choose the credit limit option to hold unlimited bookings on time limit basis if it is refundable. Tick the box to agree to terms and conditions, then click Pay Now to confirm booking. Congratulations! You've successfully built your package on Rayna.